If you've left a relationship defined by coercive control, emotional abuse, psychological abuse, what you've experienced is already more than enough, and I am so sorry. For many women, the hardest part isn't actually leaving, it's what happens next. Because in family court, your experience of abuse may not just be misunderstood, it can be used against you. The family court system is a specialized legal arena that handles disputes involving custody, visitation, divorce, child support, and I use the word arena purposely. I want you to keep that visual in your mind from here on out. Every encounter you have from lawyers, the judge, the narcissist that you're escaping, the guardian ad litem, reunification therapist, I want you to picture yourself in an arena, like Rome, a gladiator fighting for your life. But because you have the vital information that I want to share with you and teach you about, you also have a shield of protection. You're not about to be devoured. You're safe. And I'm going to give you every single shred of information that I have to ensure that. Unlike criminal court, there's no jury, no high burden of proof. There's very little consistency in family court in how decisions are made. Everything rests in the hands of a single judge who interprets your case through the lens of like a vague, subjective standard, which is the best interest of the child. The standard is not defined by a formula. It allows for wide judicial discretion, okay? Which means what you think it means. Two judges could hear the exact same case with all the same details and come to two different decisions because it's subjective. And yeah, that's terrifying. But I will tell you this, very, very few divorce cases actually go to court, and the vast majority are settled in mediation. In many states, that's mandated to try mediation first. But mediation with a narcissist, a coercive controller, an abuser is a joke. They don't negotiate. It's another opportunity for abuse. On paper, the court's goal is to protect the child, to promote stability. Most states prioritize shared parenting / custody at all costs. Even when one parent has a history, even a long history of emotional harm, manipulation, neglect, the legal system is built to preserve both parents' rights. You need to know that going in, not to assess invisible coercive control. Judges, custody evaluators, lawyers, guardian ad litems are very rarely, like minusculely ever, trained in trauma. They might rely on superficial cues, and they're really good at noticing them in women, like demeanor, communication style, and apparent willingness to cooperate. In that framework, the parent who appears calm and neutral, reasonable, often wins, while the one who shows fear or urgency, anger, no matter how justified, is the one that gets labeled high conflict. This is the core danger, and this is what I want to teach you about.